In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transform a simple, basic design into a clean and professional-looking graphic using Canva. So let's jump right in. First, click on Create. Choose YouTube Thumbnail. Here first, add your main image. Now adjust it to the full canvas. Now click on Text and add your text here. After this, select Perfumery Script Font and change color to white. Increase its size. Now go to Elements and search for curved lines. Here in Graphics, select the suitable element and adjust it at the ends of the text. After this, go to Colors and change its color to white. In this next graphic curve, as there is no option to change color, so we will go to Edit and then do a tone. Here select Custom. Now change shadow and highlights to white color. Once it's done, crop and adjust the graphic like this. Hereafter, download this design as PNG. Upload it and add it to our next page. Go to Background Remover and remove its background. Here we will change the background color so that we can see the image clearly. Now click on the image and then go again to BG Remover. Here we will get more advanced options where we can restore or remove some specific parts on the image. Here adjust the brush size and restore the top portion of the image. Now reduce the size of the brush and carefully select the portions around the text. Here we can later on select Erase option and neatly delete the parts from below the text area, if anything is visible. Now select the image. Go to Edit and then Adjust. Here adjust the brightness, contrast, variance, and other aspects to achieve a high contrasting and polished image. These little adjustments are what make your design look truly professional. Now bring the other image to add at the bottom of our main image. Here either select one from Elements or Upload Image or your own choice. Now go to Position and send it backwards. By doing so, our design gets a contrast and text is instantly highlighted. Now here, as we can see, there is only one problem. Some parts of the text is also deleted while using BG Remover. So for this, go to the previous page and copy our text again. Group them together. Paste it onto the main image and adjust its size so that it is perfectly placed over the text that's behind. Once it's all done, we will now add some depth to our design. For this, select our main image. Go to Edits and the Shadows. Here select Drop Shadow. Adjust its blur amount intensity, and other aspects. Once it's done, adjust its size to align it perfectly. Hereafter, duplicate this image and adjust its position like this to add more depth and 3D effect to our design. Like this, we have achieved a polished professional design just by using basic Canva tools. Hit the like button if this video was helpful.